Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to wipe chat's history in ChatGPT. Let's begin. Alright, so once you have ChatGPT open on your computer, you'll go to the bottom left, then select your profile icon. Then you're going to choose Settings. After choosing Settings, head over to Data Controls. Now you're going to have different options: shared links, archive chats, archive all chats, and then what we're looking for is delete all chats. So then head over to the right side and choose delete all. It's going to say clear your chat history, are you sure? And remember, this is only going to clear the chat history, it's not going to clear the memories. So once you're ready, select confirm deletion. What you notice is that on the left side, your chats won't appear. But if you also want ChatGPT to get rid of the memories, then you are going to go to personalization, then select manage memories on the right side, then you're going to go to the bottom right and select delete all, and then choose clear memory. And there you go.